Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Common reasons a dog might cough up food include eating too quickly, leading to regurgitation, or conditions like esophageal issues, which make swallowing difficult. Another reason could be respiratory infections that cause coughing while eating. Foreign objects or allergies could cause irritation, leading to coughing as well. If this becomes frequent, consult a veterinarian to rule out more serious conditions.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.